see from Santino Marella tonight?
Well, I'm assuming at some point he'll play an imaginary trumpet before undoubtedly destroying the English language and pulling a fake poker from his pipe. You know, typical Santino Marella stuff. Santino Marella shows us some clever offense here. And he finally gets out of the ring. This man takes advantage. Ooh!
Great offense by John Cena.
And he tosses his opponent to the ground. Cena with momentum early on.
Cena reverses it.
Oh, he really telegraphed that one, Cole. And he dodges that one. He's putting those educated feet to good use. When you have the amateur background that Jack Swagger has, you can pick any move as your finisher. Swagger's Patriot Lock is one. Whoa! Couple's getting torn down. Nice move. Oh, the punch connects. And there's the reversal. He's got him. Oh, jeez. Knee to the gut. That'll take the fight out of him. A textbook suplex. You hear how his leg connected? Back and forth. How do these superstars keep doing it? You notice Swagger almost looks happy when he has an opponent in the Patriot Lock. He hears his opponent yelling in pain. The crowd screaming for them to somehow break free. And Swagger has this warped smile on his face. He loves making people tap out. It's really sick. This could be it.
And Santino Marella defies the early pin.
Remember, momentum in the WWE can turn on a dime. And now he's back out on the apron. No! No! He's still not through.
Cena channeling the emotion one more time.
Oh! He desperately needs to make a tag here. And he's in a tough predicament. I don't believe the destruction we're seeing. This guy's just going from one painful move to another. He wants back in this match in the worst way. He's going to the top rope. Ouch! Oh! He gets out of trouble there. The tide has turned again. They're going to fight to the end. And you can hear the fans wooing him onward.
Santino Marella, no problem getting out of that one.
And he has to make a tag to his fresh partner. Ow! Great move. Let's see what Santino does with this. Look at this. This could be it. That's it. He's done. This could do it. 1, 2, 3. And that's the match. Whoa. I can't believe what we saw in that match. Let's play some of the highlights back. victory here tonight. Love him or hate him, that was an incredible match.
And now it's time for Randy Orton versus Ultimate Warrior.
I'm not expecting this one to be a scientific clinic, King.
Scientific clinic. Not when the Warrior's in there. He's as smash mouth as it gets. What a shot. He's putting those educated feet to good use.
And he hits the drop kick. What impact.
You hear how his leg connected? You know what's always impressed me so much about Randy Orton, whether it's when I was in the ring with him or watching him from right here at the announce table, was his quick strike capability. The Viper nickname is perfect for Randy because he strikes so fast. A lot of times, you never even see it coming.
Ultimate Warrior knows how to polish off an opponent.
Right hand by Randy.
And he hits the drop kick. What impact.
He's putting those educated feet to good use. Boy, he was able to reverse and get out of that. Oh, no! Oh! That landed like a ton of bricks. He didn't need a GPS to find the mark.
That super quick striking ability of the Apex Predator is lethal, King. But we can't take anything away from Orton's...
No! Kick out! Look out! Astonishing maneuver by Randy Orton. 1, 2, and that's the match.
You have been watching WWE.